If we are talking about stirring, beating or kneading, you are truly well equipped with the machines by AlexanderSolia. I really like the easy handling. You just choose the time and speed, and everything's ready to go. The machines are available with bowl capacities from 5 up to 200 liters. With sizes 20 liters and bigger, you can also use a smaller bowl. Therefore, you are prepared for all production volumes. What's really awesome, like usual with AlexanderSolia, everything's stainless steel.